The Ruger Mark III rimfire pistol represents the evolution of Ruger's 22 pistols. It continues the legacy of the Mark I and Mark II, but incorporates many new engineering refinements. The Mark III is rugged, simple, and affordable, which makes it a great value for any sporting purpose, from target shooting to plinking to small game hunting. The Mark III target is a semi-automatic, single-action .22 with a blue finish and a black synthetic stock. The Mark III has a manual safety and an internal lock. It has a fixed front and an adjustable rear sighting system. With a 5.5-inch barrel, the Mark III comes in just under 10 inches long and weighs 42 ounces. It comes with a plastic case and features a magazine disconnect, loaded chamber indicator, and a Weaver-style base adapter. It comes with two 10-round magazines for a 10+1 capacity.
Anybody who's looking for a good target pistol can't go wrong with the Mark III. Heavy barrel, loaded chamber indicator, has a lot of safety features, and it's just plain fun to shoot.